In this video, let me show you how to make a beautiful slide in PowerPoint. Before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you keep getting such a informative videos. Let's begin the topic here. Go to Insert and choose a border style from Border Gallery. Here you write your text here. Select, go to Home, increase size. Go to Insert, select text box. Let me write some description here. Increase size. Go to Insert, click on Picture. I have downloaded an picture from Google. Select and insert it. Select this, hold down the Shift key, reduce the size, place it like this. Hold down the Shift key, reduce the size, place it here. Hold down the Shift key, reduce the size, place it here. Select this, hold down the Shift key, reduce the size, place it like this. Select this, hold down the Shift key, reduce the size, place it like this. Go to Insert, Shapes, select Oval, hold down the Shift key and drag it like this. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape Field, select Color. Select this one, increase the size. Select Slide, duplicate. Select this one, reduce the size. Place it here. Place it here. Increase the size. Select this, rotate it. Place it here. Select this and place it. Select this and place it. Select Slide, duplicate. Select this one, reduce the size. Select this, reduce the size. Place it like this. Select this one. Hold down the Shift key, increase the size, rotate it. Select this one and place it. Select Slide, duplicate. Select this one, increase the size. Select this, reduce the size. Place it like this. Select this, rotate it. Increase the size. Hold down the Shift key, reduce the size. Select this. Select Slide, duplicate. Select this one, increase the size. Select this, reduce the size, rotate it, place it here. Select this one, place it like this. Select this one, increase the size. Now let me select these 5 slides. Go to Transition and click on More of. And watch the slideshow. This is looking beautiful, perfect. If you video helpful, then like it and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.